Hi, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is 10-line speech about myself. So it is very simple. Let's write the speech. First line. My name is Rohan. Next line. I am in class 4th. Next line. I love learning new things. Next line. Math is my favorite subject. Next line. I enjoy playing cricket and football. Next line. I have a pet dog named Max. Next line. My family is very supportive. Next line. I love reading books and drawing pictures. Next line. I am proud to be a part of this school. Next line. Thank you for listening to me. Hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.